Did you know you can grow full, beautiful shrubs without ever planting them in the ground? Yep, even if you have just a balcony or a small patio, you can still enjoy lush greenery all year round. Today, I'll share 10 of the best shrubs for containers, perfect for adding color, texture, and life to your outdoor space. Whether you want flowers, fragrance, or low-maintenance plants, there's something here for everyone. Let's dig in. 1. Boxwood. Let's start with a classic. Boxwoods are timeless and elegant. They stay green all year, grow slowly, and love being shaped. If you like neat, tidy pots or formal garden looks, this one's for you. Just remember to keep the soil moist and give it partial sunlight. 2. Lavender. This one's a favorite for both the eyes and the nose. Lavender thrives in sunny spots and doesn't mind a bit of drought. Plus, bees and butterflies absolutely adore it. A terracotta pot works great because it helps the soil stay well drained. 3. Hydrangea. If you want big, colorful blooms, hydrangeas are hard to beat. They love morning sun and afternoon shade. And here's a fun fact. The color of the flowers can change based on your soil's pH. More acidic soil gives you blue blooms, and more alkaline soil turns them pink. 4. Dwarf Alberta spruce. This one's perfect if you like the look of evergreens but don't have much space. It grows slowly, has a lovely conical shape, and stays compact. Just make sure it gets good drainage and full sun. It doesn't like soggy roots. 5. Japanese maple. Want something a little more elegant? Japanese maples are small trees that do great in containers. Their leaves turn fiery shades of red and orange in autumn, simply stunning. Keep them in bright but indirect light and water them regularly during summer. 6. Camellia. Camellias bloom in late winter or early spring when most plants are still asleep. They love acidic soil and partial shade. Use a container mix meant for azaleas or rhododendrons, and you'll have glossy leaves and showy flowers in no time. 7. Rosemary. It's both pretty and practical. Rosemary adds fragrance to your garden and flavor to your kitchen. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Just don't overwater. It prefers to stay a little dry. 8. Dwarf butterfly bush. If you want color and pollinators, this one's a must-have. The dwarf variety stays compact, perfect for containers. It blooms all summer long with purple, pink, or white flowers. And yes, it attracts butterflies, bees, and even hummingbirds. 9. Nandina. Don't worry, it's not a real bamboo. Nandina has pretty delicate leaves that change colors with the seasons. You'll see shades of green, red, and even bronze. It's hardy, low maintenance, and adds a touch of tropical flair to any patio. 10. Gardenia. Let's finish with one of the most fragrant shrubs around. Gardenias love warm weather, bright light, and humidity. Their creamy white flowers smell incredible, especially in the evenings. Just keep them in well-draining soil and protect them from cold drafts. Bonus tips. A quick tip. When growing shrubs in containers, always choose bigger pots than you think you need. Shrubs like space for their roots, and larger pots help maintain moisture. Also, use good quality potting mix, not regular garden soil. It keeps the roots healthier and drains better. If you live in a colder area, remember that pots can freeze faster than ground soil. So, either move your containers closer to the house in winter or wrap them with some insulation. And here's a fun one. Mix shrubs with trailing plants like ivy or creeping jenny for a fuller, layered look. So which of these shrubs would you love to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and tap that bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, happy gardening and keep those plants growing strong.